Hello, and welcome to this session on Explain Everything. Explain Everything is a screencasting iPad app that enables you to have an interactive whiteboard where you can write and annotate and really make your podcasts a much more interesting recording. So this is what your screen would look like. You've got icons down the side here, and if you wish to, you can move things around by just holding down that finger and moving it, making it smaller or making it larger as you wish. If you wish to get rid of what you just did, you just click on an X that is available during your recording. But let's have a look at the different things you can do. So here are your writing tools. You've got your pen, your arrows and your text. If you click on text, you can write and annotate anything you wish. You can make it large or small, like I said. You can move it about to wherever you want it to go. There's also a laser pointer you can create information with, and that's just me running my finger along the iPad screen or with a stylus using this particular iPad app. That icon there. You can also make your screen large, and over here is where you colours. So your colours would you would just hold down one of the squares and up comes this area here, and then you just choose the colour that you wish. In here you can create a project, and say you've created your film and now you wish to export your video file. You can upload it to Dropbox. You could also go to, you could also go to iTunes, Evernote, Google Drive, any of these sort of apps there that you can use. You can also use the photos that you've got on your iPad app. So it really is an interactive tool that makes things quite easy in which to design your online lecture, to annotate, animate and present, and it really does enable you to create dynamic interactive lectures. You can see we've got an interactive whiteboard. It records on-screen movement. It just saves it as a ordinary video file, and the fact that it can be exported to Dropbox, Evernote, you can send it to an email and even publish to iBooks, means it's quite a very cool tool to be using. So for instance, you wanted to do a session on Excel, and all you would do here, and it's sort of like the Wacom tablet that we've been using, only it has much more interactivity in it. You could identify certain things in your Excel sheet and explain to students where to move them down. You could create interest with that. And then, if you wanted to, you could then move it away. What we're really looking at here is creating a narrative. And we're using something referred to as a narrative pedagogy. And that's about building a story and creating meaning to what we have. It enables a student to review, revise and clarify their learning. And of course, if students have their own iPad, they can create their own screencasts, and therefore you could use that as part of the assessment. So if we're looking at various items, and I'm just going to move my screen around, you can see how I'm able to do all sorts of things with this. And in this area here, we could look at the classroom flip, for instance, and how we would be using technology to create and influence our learning environment. We're also enabling learning through activity. So guys, there's just so much going with this app. If you've got an iPad, please download it. It's only $2.99 through the App Store, and I think you're going to have lots of fun with it. Enjoy. Thank you.